I would like to invite you for a brand new spring live online cooking series that is focusing on the modern and classic Czech and Slovak recipes and culture. First class will be all about rich Czech and Slovak Easter traditions. In class number 2 we are going to prepare Beránek, a traditional Easter lamb cake. In class number 3 we are going to prepare a shepherding soup Demikát and traditional Czech Česnečka garlic soup. In class number 4 we are going to prepare hand-sheet Kolach with streusel.
This class is presented by Hansen's Dairy, my favorite Iowa dairy farm.
In class number 5 we are going to prepare traditional Slovak potato pancakes with a meat sauté. And in the final class we are going to celebrate retro elegance with roštěnky, Czech and Slovak beefsteak with a ham and eggs. All classes are taught live and online, so anyone within United States and Canada can join us.
See separate video about how class like that works and why am I qualified to teaching these classes.
And I'm going to see you soon because first class starts already on April 2nd.